Amidst repeated curfews in Manipur, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh on Monday said that a war on drugs policy launched by the BJP government, anti-eviction drives from the reserved forests were not targeted against any particular community. Speaking at the Golden Jubilee of all Manipur Working Journalists Union at Manipur Press Club, Singh said when he was in the media profession, drug problem in Manipur had propelled the state to one of the highest HIV-infected state. He said this was also one of the reasons why after he became the chief minister, he thought of taking up the drug issues as it destroys generations and initiated a war against drug policy of the government. It was not targeted against any community, he said. Singh stated that in the last 6 years, 60 crores worth of drugs have been seized while 18,000 hectares of poppy cultivation has been destroyed, and added that it was thereof natural for those affected by the policies to be frustrated. Concerning eviction drives from reserved forests, Singh said eviction was not carried out in these hills alone. Even in valleys too, many were evicted for encroachment, including in his constituency of Haingang in Imphal East and Waito in Taupal district. However, the government's eviction drives was interpreted as action towards one community. He also appreciated the Assam Rifles for arresting a Myanmar national who is a cadre of KNAB.
You being a former president, this must be an emotional moment for you. What did this day mean to you?
Really, today is very emotional day for me too, because I started my career as a journalist. Today, all Manipur Working Journalists Union celebrating the Golden Jubilee. Here I can meet many of my colleagues, many of my mentors, many of my gurus, and also can meet the peoples, the families of the founder members who expired. And I feel a little bit emotional today also after seeing all these things. And I wish all the journalists in Manipur who are taking part and who are doing their jobs in this difficult time, may God bless all of them and let Manipur restore peace again, once again.
You send a message of togetherness to all the community living in the Manipur. What was this message in Tamil?
No, actually, Manipur is the home of we 34 recognized tribes, including all the communities, irrespective of caste and religion. So that was the message which I have given in today's celebration, that those communities who are residing in the state of Manipur since time immemorial, there should be a proud citizen of India, there should be a proud Manipuri. That was my message. I really appreciate the activities of the Assam Rifles who arrested one Brahmins national, one KNAB. As a chief minister, I continuously claiming since the beginning that the present crisis is in Manipur is the hand of the outsider, foreign hand. But some people believe, some people do not. But I appreciate the Assam Rifles